In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashed or dotted outline in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're designing graphics for social media, creating digital art, or just want to add a bit of flair to your images, understanding how to make these kinds of outlines can be a handy skill. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you're not familiar with how to do this, simply click on the Photoshop icon on your desktop or locate it through your program list in your computer's operating system. It's always a good idea to make sure your software is up to date, as newer versions can provide more tools and options that might not be available in older versions. Once you have Photoshop open, the next step is to create a new canvas. To do this, go to the top menu and click on File, then New. You can set your canvas size here. It all depends on what you're planning to create. For instance, if you're making something for Instagram, a square canvas of 1080 by 1080 pixels works well. But if you're unsure, you can always adjust the canvas size later. So don't worry too much if you don't get it right the first time. After you've created your canvas, it's time to make your way to the tools on the left side of the interface. This is where you'll find the line tool. It might be hidden under the rectangle tool, so if you don't see it right away, just click and hold on the rectangle tool icon to reveal more options. Select the line tool from the list. With your line tool selected, look at the top of the screen to find the stroke options. This is crucial to creating a dashed or dotted outline. In the stroke menu, you'll see several options including solid, dashed, and dotted lines. Click on the dashed or dotted line depending on your design preference. These options allow you to customize the appearance of your stroke, helping you create that desired dashed or dotted outline effect. At this stage, you can customize even further if you'd like. Adjust the weight of the stroke to make your lines thicker or thinner, and pick a color that suits your design by clicking on the color box. Feel free to play around with these settings to see how they change your outline's appearance. That's all there is to it. You've now created a distinctive dashed or dotted outline in Photoshop. This technique can be applied in countless creative projects, so have fun exploring how you can incorporate it into your designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.